Dear devotees, we all recite Hanuman Chalisa for spiritual growth, protection, and blessings. This video is to help you understand the meanings of the verses, which will help you to connect emotionally to the divine energy with a more focused mind and experience a sense of spiritual growth and inner peace. श्री हनुमान चालीसा दोहा। श्री गुरु चरणों सरोजो रज निजमन मुकुर सुधारी बरनौ रघुबर बिमल जोशु जो दायकु फलचारी बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके सुमिरो पवन कुमार बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि हरहु कलेश विकार। Meaning, purifying the mirror of my mind with the dust of the Guru's feet, I sing the pure glory of Sri Raghuvir, who grants the four fruits of life: dharma, artha, kama, and moksha. चौपाई। जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर, जय कपीश तिहु लोक उजागर। रामदूत अतुलित बल धामा, अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नामा। महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी, कुमति निवारो सुमति के संगी। Meaning, Jai Hanuman, the ocean of knowledge and virtues, you are the lord of monkeys, and your glory is celebrated in the three worlds, Swarg, Prithvi, and Patal. You are the messenger of Ram with unparalleled strength. You are the son of Anjani and Pavan, the wind. O mighty Hanuman, you are strong and powerful. You remove bad thoughts and are a companion and helper to those with good thoughts. कंचन बरन विराजो सुबेशा, कानन कुंडल कुंचित केशा। हाथ वज्रो ध्वजा विराजे, काधे मूजो जनेऊ साजे। शंकर सुबन केसरी नंदन, तेज प्रताप महाजगबंदन। विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर, रामकाज करिबे को आतुर। Meaning, O Hanuman, your golden complexion is radiant with beautiful clothes, and you are adorned with earrings and curly hair. O Hanuman, your hands hold a thunderbolt and flag, and your shoulders bear the sacred thread symbolizing your strength and spiritual purity. O incarnation of Lord Shiva's energy, O son of Kesari, your bravery and greatness are worshipped worldwide. You are knowledgeable, virtuous, and extremely efficient in your work, and you are always ready to fulfill Lord Ram's missions. प्रभु चरित्र सुनिबे को रसिया, राम लखन सीतामन बसिया। सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सियहि दिखावा, विकट रूप धरि लंक जरावा। भीम रूप धरि असुर सहारे, रामचंद्र के काज सवारे। लाय सजीवन लखन जियाए, श्री रघुबीर हरषि उर लाए। रघुपति की नहीं बहुत बढ़ाई, तुम मम प्रिय भरतहि सम भाई। Meaning, O Hanuman, you take pleasure in hearing Lord Ram's stories, and Lord Ram, Sita, and Lakshman reside in your heart. You appeared in a small form before Sita and demonstrated your immense power by burning Lanka. You destroyed demons with your fierce form and fulfilled Lord Ram's objectives. O Hanuman, you fetched the Sanjivani herb and revived Lakshman, and Lord Ram, overjoyed, embraced you warmly. Lord Ram praised you greatly, saying, You are as dear to him as his brother Bharat. सहस बदन तुम्हारा जश गावई, अस कही श्रीपति कंठ लगावई। सनकादि को ब्रह्मादि मुनीसा, नारद सारदो सहित अहिषा। जम कुबेरो दिक्पाल जहाँते, कवि कोविदो कहीं सके कहाँते। तुम उपकार सुग्रीवहि किन्हा, राम मिलायो राजपद दिन्हा। तुम्हारा मंत्र विभीषण माना, लंकेश्वर भये सब जग जाना। Meaning, 1,000 mouths sing your praises, and with these words, Lord Ram embraced you. Sri Sanaka, Sri Sanatana, Sri Sanandana, Sri Sanat Kumara, and other sages, Brahma, Narad, Saraswati, and Shesha, all sing your praises. Wherever Yam, Kuber, and the guardians of all directions are present, poets, scholars, and pandits cannot fully describe your glory. You did a great favor to Sugriv by introducing him to Sri Ram, due to which Sugriv became king. Vibhishan followed your advice and became the king of Lanka. The whole world knows this. Jug Sahasra Yojana Parabhanu, Lillo Tahi Madhur Phaljanu. प्रभु मुद्रिका मेली मुख माही, जलधि लाघि गए अचरज नाही। दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते, सुगम अनुग्रह तुम्हारे तेते। राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे, होत न आज्ञा बिनु पैसारे। सब सुख लहै तुम्हारी शरणा, तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना। Meaning, sun is so far away that it takes 1,000 yojanas to reach it. Yojana is an ancient unit of measurement. You swallowed the sun located at a distance of thousands of yojanas, thinking it to be a sweet fruit. You jumped over the ocean with the Lord's ring in your mouth, and it's not surprising. All difficult tasks in the world become very easy with your grace. You are the guardian at the door of Lord Ram, and no one can enter without your permission. Meaning, Ram's grace is rare without your pleasure. Those who take refuge in you attain all happiness, and with you as their protector, they have no fear. आपन तेज सम्हारो आपै, तीनों लोक हाकते कापै। भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आबै, महावीर जब नाम सुनाबै। नासै रोग हरै सब पीड़ा, जपत निरंतर हनुमत बीड़ा। Meaning, your power is unmatched, and the three worlds tremble at your roar. Ghosts and demons do not come near when Mahavir's name is mentioned. Diseases are cured and all pains are removed by continuously chanting the name of Hanuman. संकट ते हनुमान छुड़ावै, मन क्रम बचन ध्यान जो लावै। सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा, तीन के काज सकल तुम साजा। और मनरथ जो कोई लावै, सोई अमित जीवन फल पावै। चारों युग प्रताप तुम्हारा, होय प्रसिद्ध जगत उजियारा। Meaning, Hanuman rescues from troubles whoever focus on him in thought, word, and actions. Lord Ram, the greatest of ascetics, has all his works effortlessly accomplished by you. One who has your blessings can achieve boundless fruits of life with their desires fulfilled. Your glory is renowned in all four ages, that is, Satya, Treta, Dwapar, and Kali, illuminating the world. साधु संत के तुम रखवारे, असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे, अष्ट सिद्धि नौ निधि के दाता, असबर दीन जानकी माता. Meaning, you are the protector of saints and sages and the beloved of Ram, the destroyer of demons. You have received such a boon from Mother Janaki that you can grant anyone the 8 siddhis and 9 nidhis. This means Hanumanji can give these 8 siddhis and 9 treasures to his devotees. These treasures are not just money but both material and spiritual. The 8 siddhis are Anima, Mahima, Garima, Laghima, Prapti, Prakaimya, Ishitva, Vashitva. Anima means which makes the practitioner invisible and capable of penetrating even the hardest of substances. Mahima means in which the yogi makes himself very big. Garima means in which the yogi can make himself as heavy as desired. Laghima means in which the yogi can become as light as desired. Prapti means in which he attains the desired object. Prakaimya means in which the yogi can sink into the earth or fly in the sky if he wishes. Ishitva means in which the yogi gains the power to rule over everyone. Vashitva means in which the yogi controls others. The 9 nidhis are Padma, Mahapadma, Shankha, Makara, Kachap, Mukunda, Kunda, Neelam, Kharva. Padma symbolizes lotus, which means purity and divine beauty. Mahapadma symbolizes great lotus, which means excessive wealth. Shankha symbolizes conch, which means victory and blessings of the ocean. Makara symbolizes crocodile, which means protection and strength. Kachap symbolizes tortoise, which means longevity and stability. Mukunda symbolizes a type of fruit, which means prosperity and abundance. Kunda symbolizes jasmine, which means purity and beauty. Neelam symbolizes sapphire, which means royalty and spiritual knowledge. Kharva symbolizes dwarf, which means modest and power. राम रसायन तुम्हारे पासा, सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा. तुम्हारा भजन राम को पाबै, जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसराबै. अंतकाल रघुबर पुर जाई, जहाँ जन्म हरिभक्त कहाई. और देवता चित्त न धरई, हनुमत से सर्व सुख करई. संकट कटई मिटई सब पीड़ा, जो सुमिरई हनुमत बलबीरा. Meaning, your love is the elixir that keeps you near Ram's heart. Your devotion is what makes Ram accessible. One who remembers Hanuman forgets the sorrows of countless births and attains the supreme abode of Lord Ram in the end. Where birth itself becomes a celebration, one is known as a devotee of Hari, that is Lord Vishnu, and doesn't get attached to other deities. That devotee, dear to Hanuman, attains all happiness, their troubles vanish, and all pains are eradicated. जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई, कृपा करहु गुरु देव की नाई। जो सतबार पाठ कर कोई, छुटहि बंदी महासुख होई। जो ये पढ़ई हनुमान चालीसा, होई सिद्धि साखी गौरीसा। तुलसीदास सदा हरिचेरा, कीचै नाथ हृदय महडेरा। Meaning, glory to Hanuman, Lord of senses, have mercy on me like a teacher or a guide. One who recites this 100 times will be freed from bondage of life and death and attain great happiness. Whoever recites Hanuman Chalisa will attain success with Lord Shiv as witness. Tulsidas is always a servant of Lord Vishnu, says continually at his feet, he prays, O Lord, make your abode in my heart. Doha पवन तनय संकट हरन मंगल मूर्ति रूप राम लखन सीता सहित हृदय वसहु सुरभूप. Meaning, O conqueror of the wind, remover of troubles, you are a symbol of auspiciousness. Along with Ram, Lakshman, and Sita, reside in my heart, O King of gods. जय हनुमान जी, जय हनुमान जी, जय हनुमान जी.